Hi Terry, this is James from the Supercar Mafia. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Good, well I think you're going to be doing great here really soon because I have some very exciting news.
Okay.
You are the winner of the 2017 McLaren 570S or the $75,000 cash, whichever you choose, but you are the winner.
I am definitely the winner.
You are definitely 100% the winner. Congratulations! I'm not gonna say that we're gonna miss our flight, but we're definitely not gonna be on time. Ladies and gentlemen, I haven't seen you guys in forever. More to come on that in today's video, but welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today is Monday. We're flying off to Long Beach, California because tomorrow we are meeting Terry, the winner of the Supercar Mafia giveaway. That's gonna be in today's video, so it's kind of like a 2 days in one vlog style vlog. That made sense, yes. 2 vlogs ago, I told you Terry had selected the McLaren. Terry has actually selected the $75,000 cash. I got overly anxious, I jumped the gun. When we dropped off the car at McLaren Newport, there was a lot of people asking, did she take the car, did she take the cash? And I said she took the car. She has signed the official affidavit, she circled the $75,000 cash, she signed her name, submitted it to the American Sweepstakes Company, which is the third-party administrator that we've used for the sweepstakes. Officially 100%, she has taken the $75,000 cash. We're flying off to Newport Beach, we're awarding her that $75,000. First we gotta go to Make Some Models. We got to pick up Derek because he's flying down with me, and we're going to pay her that $75,000. So I'm an idiot, and yeah, don't do what I do. Wait until before you announce anything. Wait until the affidavit. Did I mention welcome back to the channel? Welcome back to the vlog. Yes, the Aventador does have a check engine light, and no, it is not related to the new exhaust. More to come, more to come. Welcome here to Make Some Models, ladies and gentlemen. We're dropping off the Aventador here at Make Some Models while I'm in California. There's that check engine light. There's just a sensor that needs to be replaced. Also, this purple looks so killer under the sun. We got the GTC4 Lusso and the R8 V8. We have an R8 GT, one of 333 in the world, but this one is supercharged. We're talking 750 horsepower. We got GT3 RSs, we got GT3s, we got 488s, we got Gallardos, but like we gotta run because now we're actually late. See you later, Brennan. Take good care of her. See ya. We're hopping in the Raptor. Derek, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the vlog. You ready for this trip to Cali?
Yes, sir.
We made it. We're not late. We're not going to miss our flight. This is the first time I've flown in, I think, 2 weeks. I think that is the longest time in between flights in like a year. And it was nice while it lasted, but, well, we're headed to California.
Welcome to Long Beach, where the local time is 3:58 p.m.
Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome here to Long Beach, California. It's no longer winter, so we're gonna go to dinner, then we're going to the hotel. I don't think I really need to bring you guys along for that journey, so I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to day 2. We just arrived here to Lamborghini of Newport Beach, California. We are back in the Baby Mac. Okay, we're just gonna kind of like peruse the inventory, peruse the lot if you will. We got the Urus, we got the Aventador, we got Lambos for days, we got some Papa Macs, and we have some Baby Macs, but we're back. We're back in the Baby Mac. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn around awkwardly, but we're good, we're good. There's no other dealership quite like Lamborghini and McLaren of Newport Beach. Okay, so Terry is gonna arrive here at 11. I think we're gonna park right there between the 720s. Last time we were here at McLaren of Newport Beach, it was pouring rain. Well, today's a better day. It is sunny, it is 75, so it's just after 10 o'clock. Terry, the winner of the Supercar Mafia giveaway, is gonna be here at 11. So excited to meet her. We're just gonna kind of, well, I don't really know what we're gonna do. They just got here. They just arrived here in the Lincoln, so I'm gonna go introduce myself real quick, kind of like off camera. So we're gonna set you guys down somewhere. I'm not really sure. Guys, check this out. We printed a massive $75,000 check for Terry. Terry, get in here. Terry, congratulations.
Thank you.
Terry is the winner of the Supercar Mafia giveaway. So we printed this massive check for you.
Wonderful.
We're gonna be getting you real cash, don't worry.
Good.
$75,000.
Yay.
Congratulations, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, Jane. Yahoo, look at this.
Any exciting plans? Maybe like vacation, shopping spree, something cool, right? Something fun.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so Terry has never been in a ride in a McLaren. So we got to change that right now, today.
Let's go.
Baby Mac, what do you think? First time.
She's gorgeous.
Isn't she beautiful?
My favorite color.
The blue is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
So we're gonna try not to get pulled over. So
yeah.
You know, the Costa Mesa Police Department, they're on the prowl, but we're good. We're good. So
we're good.
Let's do this. Let's go.
Let's go. I can see.
Terry just made a good point. The check isn't gonna clear if I don't sign it.
Yeah,
we gotta sign it. Here we go. This is the first time I've ever signed a giant check, so I got one opportunity to seize the moment. This has to be my best signature of all time. All right, it is official. You are officially the winner of the Supercar Mafia giveaway, $75,000. Congratulations.
I love this. Thank you so much,
Yes,
James.
you're so welcome.
This is so awesome.
Okay, now we're actually gonna go for a ride in the car. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
That was 55. So we're good. That was only 55. Definitely want to have.
Oh my. My grandson was like, "Wee Mom, take the car, take the car. Wee Mom, take the car."
If where does your grandson live?
Texas, Dallas.
Texas.
Yeah.
If he ever finds himself in Utah, let me know.
I will.
I'll take him for a ride in any one of my cars.
Oh, he would love it.
No, absolutely. Or if he's ever in California and I happen to be in California, I'll take him for a ride in it.
Oh, okay.
How old is he?
He is going to be 11 on February 3rd.
If my grandma would have won a McLaren when I was 11,
I know.
that would have been like.
I know, that's what.
Yeah, that was the craziest thing ever.
Yeah, he's shocked that I didn't take it. He was screaming on the phone, "Me, Mom, take the McLaren."
Take it. We're here in the Baby Mac. We were about to do a mild acceleration, let's say, right? Mild acceleration. We gotta get the windows down so that we can maximize the sound. 3.8 liter twin turbocharged V8, aka Baby Mac. There we go. Tires are warmed up. I don't see any cops in any direction.
No, we're good.
So I think we're good. If not, well, we'll just have to talk our way out of it.
This will be so much fun. Oh my gosh.
Anticipation. This is the worst part. You're like waiting for the light.
Come on, light. Come on.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, I think my hairs on my hairs are staying on my oh my god.
That is so much fun. Was it?
Oh, it was so much fun. I love it. I love it.
That was amazing. I'm so happy for you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And like I said, if your grandson ever finds himself in Utah, I'll take him for a ride in the Aventador. He's probably watching this.
Right there.
If you're ever in Utah, come let Terry know. She'll let me know. I'll take you for a ride in my Aventador, the Gallardo, the R8, whatever you want. So.
Okay, Anthony, Joshua, and Andrew.
Yes, any one of them. Any one of them.
Okay.
Well, congratulations,
thank you.
Terry. Yeah, it was so nice to meet you, and so excited to keep in contact with you.
Okay. Oh, that sounds great.
Yes,
I would love that.
Bye, Terry. So nice to meet you. There you have it. Once again, massive congratulations to Terry, the winner of the Supercar Mafia giveaway. We got a flight to catch back to Utah in 2 hours. We're leaving the car here off at McLaren Newport Beach. There's a few last pending service items that have to get taken care of. And then yes, we are gonna be selling the Baby Mac. The car is going to be listed on eBay, I think either this week or next week. In my next upload, I'll give you guys the further details as they come. So, well, what an amazing journey it's been. This is the last time, I think this is the last time you guys will ever see the McLaren 570S. To everybody who participated in the giveaway, thank you so much for your support. To all of our partners, 1016 Industries, Rogue Performance, 305 Forged Wheels, Fab Speed, Summit Auto Lab, Michelin. I don't think I'm forgetting anybody. Enjoy this view of the Baby Mac because, well, For the viewers, a couple last revs. Such a good looking 570. All right, that is officially the last look ever, right? In 3, 2, 1. Okay, the timing was, oh, anyways. It's not a baby Mac, but it's a Fiesta SE. Dun, 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 dun. Headphone users, Derek. She's a screamer. Oh yeah. What? There's a rev limiter at 3,500. Are you kidding me, Ford? Never mind, no, I did not. To any Ford executives watching this video, I did not mean to trigger you. I love you guys, and if you see my Ford GT application, if you could just, always hooking it up. This one's for the viewers, the doubters, and the dreamers. Hit it. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. Ford execs, where are you at? You make a beautiful, beautiful ride. This is just cool right now. Walking out on the tarmac up these ramps, I feel like the President of the United States. So, California, you're a beautiful, beautiful state, but we are headed home to the beautiful state of Utah. Whoa, whoa. Sorry, I'm not present. I'm annoying. I just need to reiterate that I took this tripod 700 miles to California and back, and I did not use it one single time. So, it's not that we need to film ourselves loading the luggage from the sidewalk into the truck. It's that we have a tripod, so we
had to get return on investment.
Exactly.
We have to get that.
It's so convenient to have a tripod. Oh, hey, Brandon. What's up? Just a tripod. Yep. All right, we're headed out. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, it looks so good at night. Are you kidding me? This is the cold startup. The tripod is coming in clutch. It feels good, boys. It feels good to be back in the Aventador. Also, the check engine light is gone. While the car was off at Makes and Models, Brennan took care of a sensor. So we're back, baby. We are rocking at 10 tenths, 100%, and there's a tunnel soon. Whoa! Whoa, do you hear the crackles? Don't let your eyes deceive you. It's a Photoshop. We're not at In-N-Out. We're not getting the double-double. We're not getting the French fries, and we're surely not getting the lemonade. Trust me, it's a Photoshop. It's an optical illusion. There is not 100% beef patty in here. There is no cheddar cheese. There is no bun. There is a purple Aventador, but trust me, it's fake. This is for the viewers and the non-believers. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get pulled over someday for a noise complaint. My battery is flashing red right now, so if the video ends, it's because my battery died. But, well, welcome home. What a quick trip to California. One last congratulations to Terri, the winner. One thing I do want to disclose, we have already wired her the $75,000 and she has confirmed receipt, so she has been paid her prize in full. My battery is flashing red right now, so if today's video ends abruptly, well, anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.